All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you guys have time because me and this young lady, we're about to chat up a storm. We are still celebrating Reggae Month and we have to celebrate the new talents as well. So beside me is the one, the only, Tori Lattore.
Yeah.
Hi, lovely.
Hey, girl.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Listen, I'm not even going to be modest about it. You know, we're talking about background vocal work alongside musical stalwarts like Etana, Wayne Marshall, Siobhan, Romain Virgo.
Oh, they done a research.
Baby Sham, Jesse Royal, Not Nice, or should it be Notice?
Notice.
Heavyweight Rockers, and Agent Sasko.
Yep.
You're no small girl here, honey.
A big team.
A big thing, but new talent because you're branching out now.
As a solo artist.
As a solo artist, yes.
Yes.
Why did you decide to take on this mission now? To say, boy, you know, I know I've been supporting all these stars. Why do I know need
It's
to own my
always been a
space?
dream of mine
Yeah.
to step out and just bring my personality and contribute to the reggae music.
Nice.
And my forefathers and Bob Marley and all them people that has done so much for the music. And I want to do more for Jamaica and the culture and bring our culture all over the world. So that's always been a passion of mine and I want to do it. So I said, yeah, no better time than now.
No, seriously, and she have the personality and the vibe. If you ever seen her on stage, you know, she is a delight to watch live on stage. Trust me, you are so incredible. When did you decide, you know, you said, boy, you know what, I need to take this thing seriously. You know, I need to definitely become a singer.
So in 2019, I put out my first single and I was ready.
Yeah.
To go out there and step out there and I say, you know, I'm gonna step away from the background work, I'm gonna be doing my thing now. But then COVID happened and kind of reset everything. So you had to, you know, find a different path. And I started working with Virgo and then I say, yeah, I'm gonna put out my other songs. I was recording over the pandemic.
Yeah.
And Ocean Eyes, that's how Ocean Eyes came about because I love Billie Eilish and I thought that it would be a very good rendition to do to a reggae beat.
Yeah.
And I did that and I say, yeah, I want to do it again. So, you know,
Yeah.
her.
It's a different adventure, you know, from being a supporting vocalist to now being a main artist, right? The star, the solo act, right?
Yes, it is.
What has that journey been like in terms of the crossover? What have you learned that's very different now for you and eye-opening?
I feel like being around the people that I am around, Nico, Romy, Virgo, and all the people around us, I feel like they're a very good example as to what to aspire to be. Romy and Virgo work very, very hard. We rehearse every single day. You see the work that they have to put in. You see, I'm around Nico a lot, so I see the work that him have to put in on, you know, getting Romy stuff out. And so I know that there's a lot more than just talent. I know I have the talent and the raw talent, but no, I'm trying to put myself out there, like just giving my personality, showing myself out there on social media, and I know that, yo, I just have to do it. So stepping out and just even doing Smile Jamaica with you is just another way of me getting myself out there and like everybody know, say, hey, Tori Lattore is here.
She is. But as a female artist, you know, because even with the Grammys recently, we heard all these females go up and, you know, we're talking about Doechii earlier on, right? Yeah, Doechii's our girl right now. And all of them talking about, you know, the struggles as a female artist to step out and own your own space, you know? How has that been for you as a new female act?
It's work. Yeah. It's just like any other work. It's just like if you're studying to be a lawyer, if you're doing a doctor, it's not gonna come easy. You have to put in the work for it. You have to get up night and day. And then also we have the freedom to not do it if you want to. We don't have a time crunch. Like we don't have to get up and go work 9 to 5 every day. So we have to choose to do it every day. And because it's something I want to do, I'm doing it. And also, you see that a lot of the things, people blow up overnight, but I'm putting in the work. So maybe my next song I'll put out may not be it. But then the one after that, you know,
it's a journey.
It's a journey.
Process.
It's not a destination.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Now you sing and you dance, right? So you are using all of that.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Never leave my grounding, my training. I've been doing it I've been in performing arts from like I was 14 years old. So it's a part of me, it's like second nature.
When you say training like what? Like what was the background?
Yeah, I used to be in Ashe. So you know how that thing goes.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get up, I used to go to school, you know, school 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock class, whatever. And then after school, my training starts from 4 o'clock and I go all the way back to 9 and then after homework. So it's like dedication, discipline. and all them stuff there. So over the years, I feel like just doing it constantly, it's become second nature to me. I can't not go on the stage and not perform and dance and be me, because that's me.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah, and I realize as well, because I mean, we were on the road with Romy last year, that you do not shudder according, you know, to the kind of crowd that you're standing in front of. So it doesn't matter the size of the crowd, your performance is still the very same.
People are people. Them gonna receive you the way you show up.
Yeah.
So if you show up shy, them just gonna be a little timid to receive you. And if you just show up and be yourself and entertain the people, then them gonna love you. So
exactly.
I try to do that every time I go on the stage.
Yeah. All right. So apart from Romain, talk about inspirations and the persons here that you've worked with. Let's talk about the other persons.
Not just people that I work with. Growing up in Augustown, you see Etana, you see Sizzler, and if you've ever been to Augustown, there's a wall that they paint all of the influential people, people who contributed and put Augustown out there. You see Dwayne Stevenson, you see a lot of people. I mean, I aspire to be on that wall, you know.
Yes.
It's a small thing for a lot of people, but I aspire to be on that wall. I want to contribute and put Augustown out there and show, say, I mean, you see that music, I get a people thing. Like right now, I feel like you see where all the people who are stars per se, they come from a situation like mine. And I know that more and more people are going to look up to me when I go out there and I do what I need to do, and I do what I need to do big. You know what I mean? Even if on a small scale, I know a lot of people looking up to me right now, so I have to just make sure that I continue to do the right thing. You know what I mean? Be positive. Put good energy out there. The music dark right now, you know. So it doesn't have to be the light. So that's what I strive to be. My music is gonna be fun. It's gonna be bubbly. It's gonna be about love. It's gonna be about Jamaica. It's gonna feel good.
Yeah. Is it genre specific at all?
Reggae.
Reggae.
Reggae, but it's feel good reggae. So I know I grew up. I have a background in jazz and pop music. I love all them stuff. So I try to incorporate it in somehow. But reggae is my base.
Love that.
My home.
Love that.
Jamaica, come on.
You traveled outside of Jamaica as well, and when you stand up in front of an international audience, some of them, you know, the language barrier is there.
And I speak fast. I speak fast, and I'm up here most of the time. Yeah, so you realize that sometimes you have to slow it down, girl. You have to say, slow it down. Bob will say, Nico will say to me, Tori, all right, tonight, you see, when some people, they don't speak English, you gotta, you know,
slow it down for them. So
I try to do that. And also, I just try to be myself.
Yeah.
They love personality. People listen to the rap and the DJ and them don't know one thing what the artist them say, but they can't feel it.
It's just the vibe.
So once you go up there and you be yourself, I feel like personality translates. Energy translates. So once you're giving them good energy, then we'll...
Nico want us to definitely ask you this for sure about the upcoming projects. Tell us about it quickly as we wrap up.
Yeah, so there's I can't say the names, but I do have music coming out. So stay tuned for that. If you want to follow me on social media, it's Tori Lattore. So follow me on social media to keep up with the upcoming things. So yeah, man, period. Do them things there.
Hey, all right.
Tori Lattore.
That's right.
Torilattore. Don't forget it. Come on.
She can spell really well, guys. If you're wondering if she can spell, she spells really well.
Thank you. Big up on herself.
Big up period. Congratulations on the good work. Thank you so much, Tori. We have a little performance from Tori coming up, so stick around for that. More after the break. Stay with us.